Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite mocha coffee tres leches cake. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. We're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to make our cake mix. So to our bowl, we're going to be adding our triple double chocolate cake mix. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of iced roast instant coffee, along with all of the ingredients that are required to make the cake mix. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it for 2 minutes on medium speed. Once done, transfer the batter to our greased 9x13 baking dish. Now bake for 28 minutes. After 28 minutes, we're going to check the center of our cake to make sure that it is completely cooked. Okay, now we're just going to allow it to cool down for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we can make our tres leches mixture. Okay, so for that, we're going to be mixing 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of media crema, or you can use heavy cream, 1 can of soy and condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of iced roast instant coffee. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all well until the coffee has dissolved. Okay, and here you can taste it and see if you want your mixture to be stronger. You can add more coffee, but for me this is perfect. So once we have that, we're going to place it in the refrigerator until it's time to pour it over our cake. After 20 minutes, our cake should have cooled down a little. So now we're going to get ready to poke it with the fork. Once we have poked our cake, we're just going to pour our mixture. Okay, now we're just going to cover it. Place it in a refrigerator overnight or for at least 6 hours. Okay, so here I have my cake that I made last night, and as you can see, the cake has soaked in all of the milks. So once we're ready, we can make our whipped cream. To our bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of iced roast instant coffee, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, now we're just going to be whisking until our mixture is nice and stiff. So now we can get ready to top our cake. Okay, so once we have topped our cake, you can decorate it all nice and pretty. Today I'm just going to keep it very simple and just sprinkle some more cocoa powder. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our delicious Mocha Café Tres Leches cake. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious. If you love chocolate, tres leches, and of course coffee, you're definitely going to love this recipe. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It just melts in your mouth. So delicious. It's not too sweet, you know, it's not too strong, but of course if you like it to be more strong, you can always add more coffee. But this right here, it's honestly perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious mocha coffee tres leches cake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.